Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a design using Shimmer and Shine dip powders. The owner of Shimmer and Shine sent me these dip powders a while ago and I thought I'd use them today. So the names are Failure to Launch and Hot Buttered Rum. And they are so beautiful. Failure to Launch is an iridescent glitter with some purple undertones, and Hot Buttered Rum is a nude dip powder with gold shimmer. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying one layer of clear dip powder to my nails. So I apply base to the whole nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. Starting on the pinky nail, I apply a thin layer of base and then I dipped it into the nude dip powder. I did 3 layers of that. I also did the same for my middle finger as well. On the index finger, I'm using the glitter dip powder and I did 3 layers of that. Now on the ring finger, I'm doing a color block with the 2 colors. So I poured the nude dip powder in a container and then I apply base to my ring finger and then I laid my finger into the nude dip powder to get a straight line, and then I dip my finger into the glitter dip powder. Then I continued to build the nail further. So I'm using my Revel clear dip powder, and this is one of the dip powders I use for glitter only. So I pour it into a container, and now I just apply my base and then I dipped it into the clear dip powder. I did a few layers of that, but I only showed one layer. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails. Now, using my Model 1's top coat, I apply the shiny top coat to my index, pinky and half of the ring finger, and then my matte top coat to the middle finger and half of the ring finger, and cure it for 30 seconds. Now, using my Model 1's gel polish, I'm doing a sweater nail. So this is my third sweater nail. I'll link to the others in the card. And I like the fact that I have gotten a matching Model 1's gel polish to do each of my designs. You can also use a top coat if you don't have any matching gel polishes, by the way. And if you'd like to purchase from Model 1's, I'll leave my code. It would be in the description below. So I'd leave you guys to watch what I'm doing, and I'll be back shortly. I also do a sweater nail on the middle finger as well. So take a look at that, and any questions, leave it in the comment section below. When the nails cool down, I apply my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!